Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, blind spot monitor, ultra-low emissions vehicle, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2021 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, tires front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.